Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are taking exercise 8.1 in NCERT textbook. So let's start now. The first question states that in triangle ABC, right angled at B, given that AB equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to find out sin A, cos A and sin C, cos C. Now let's start. First, it is given that triangle ABC, that is triangle ABC, right angled at B. Then given that AB equal to 24 centimeter, that is AB is 24. Then BC is 7 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. We have to find out sin A and cos A first. That means according to this acute angle, we have to find out sin A and cos A. For that, we have to find out the hypotenuse also. Because we know that sin A is equal to opposite side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse. So, we have to find out AC first. I think everybody knows Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Using that theorem, we have to find out AC first. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We know that AB is 24 and BC is 7. AB is 24 and BC is 7. That is 24 square plus BC square means 7 square. 24 square is 576. You have to find a rough work here. 24 into 24 करके देखो. 24 square is 576. 576 plus 7 square is 49. Adding these two, we get 625. Therefore, we get AC square is equal to 625. That is, AC square is equal to 625. Therefore, AC is equal to square root of 625, that is 25. Then now we find AC, that is this hypotenuse. It is 25. Okay. Now let's start finding sin A and cos A. Okay. We know that sin A, that is sine of this acute angle, is opposite side upon hypotenuse. That is, here opposite side is BC upon AC is the hypotenuse. Therefore, this is equal to 7 upon 25. Therefore, sin A, we find that value is 7 upon 25. Next, we have to find out cos A. Cos A. We know that cos A is cos of angle A is equal to adjacent side of angle A upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB. AB by AC. That is equal to 24 by 25 upon 25. Now the first part of the first question is over. Next we have to find out sin C and cos C. Sin C is equal to, that means according to this angle we have to find out sin C. According to this angle we have to find out sin C. That is, sin C means then angle opposite to angle C is AB. Hypotenuse is same. Angle opposite to angle C is AB and adjacent to angle C is BC. Okay, therefore sin C, we know that sin C is side opposite to angle C upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC. This is equal to, AB is 24 and AC is 25. Therefore sin C is equal to 24 by 25. Next we have to find out cos C. Cos C is equal to, we know that cos C is equal to side adjacent to angle C upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. BC upon AC. This is equal to, BC is, we know that BC is 7 and AC is 25. Now our first question is over. Next we move on to the second question. That is, in the given figure, find tan P minus cot R. Given is the figure triangle, right triangle PQR is given, right angled at Q, and given PR is equal to 13 centimeter and PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. First we have to find out tan P. According to this acute angle, tan P is equal to opposite side of angle P upon adjacent side of angle P. Here the opposite side is not given, that we have to find out first. Using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find QR first. Okay, therefore by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, that is equal to, which implies, we know PR is equal to 13 and PQ is equal to 12, that is 13 square is equal to 12 square plus QR square. 12 square plus QR square, which implies 169 is equal to 12 square, that is 144 plus QR square. Therefore QR square is equal to 169 minus 144. Let us minus it. 169 minus 144 equal to 25. That is equal to 25. Therefore QR square is 25. Therefore QR is equal to square root of 25 equal to 5. Therefore QR is equal to 5 centimeter. Next we have to find out tan P and cot R, then minus it. According to this figure, tan P is equal to tan of this acute angle. Tan of A, we know that tan of A ratio is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. That is opposite side of angle P upon adjacent side of angle P. That is QR upon PQ. Tan P is equal to QR upon PQ is equal to 5 upon 12. Therefore, we get tan P is equal to 5 upon 12. Next we have to find out cot R. Cot R is equal to, according to this angle, that is R, cot R is equal to, we know that cot of an angle is equal to adjacent side of that angle upon opposite side of that angle. Here the adjacent side of angle R is QR and the opposite side is PQ. Therefore cot of angle R is equal to QR upon PQ equal to 5 upon 12. Both of them are same, that is tan P is 5 by 12 and cot R is 5 by 2. Therefore their minus is 0, that is tan P minus cot r is equal to 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12 equal to 0. Okay, now second question is also over. Today's session is over. Thank you for watching.